Imagine making a fertilizer so concentrated that just a little bit can work wonders in your garden. This powerful liquid will give your plants a boost like nothing else, helping them grow healthy and strong. By the end, you'll have a dark, rich liquid packed with nutrients that your plants crave, all from something as simple as the unwanted weeds in your garden. This homemade fertilizer could be the secret to your garden's success. To get started, collect a variety of weeds from your garden. The more types you gather, the better, since each weed brings different nutrients. Chop the weeds into smaller pieces to help them break down faster. Put these chopped weeds into a 5-gallon bucket and make sure to fill it up. The smaller pieces will decompose quicker and release their nutrients into the mix. Once the bucket is full of weeds, place a heavy object like a brick or large stone on top. This will help press down the weeds and keep them submerged as they break down. After adding the weight, cover the bucket with a loose-fitting lid, allowing gases to escape during decomposition. Now, place the bucket in a shady spot and leave it alone for about 4 weeks. Over this time, the weeds will break down and a dark, thick liquid will form at the bottom. After 4 weeks, the weeds will have mostly decomposed, leaving a small amount of thick, dark liquid at the bottom of the bucket. This is your concentrated weed tea. Carefully pour this liquid into a jar or bottle, and you'll see how rich and dense it is. It's incredibly strong, so you'll only need a small amount for it to have a big impact. When you're ready to use it, mix 1 small cup of the concentrate into a 5-liter watering can filled with water. Stir it well, and then use it to water your plants. You'll soon notice your plants responding positively to this nutrient-packed solution. Using this concentrated weed tea offers several benefits. First, it's an eco-friendly way to recycle weeds by turning them into a valuable resource. Instead of discarding weeds, you're using them to feed your plants, making it both environmentally conscious and cost-effective. Second, this fertilizer is loaded with nutrients. As the weeds break down, they release important elements like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, which are essential for plant growth. These nutrients help plants develop stronger roots, lush leaves, and better resistance to pests and diseases. Another great benefit is the beneficial microbes that form during the decomposition process. This tea is full of good microbes that improve the health of your soil. When you water your plants with it, you're also adding these microbes to the soil. We'd love to hear your favorite organic gardening tips in the comments. Be sure to check out the video links in the description for more recipes and step-by-step guides on making your own fertilizers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other gardening videos.